Thinking about selling your home as is? You might think skipping repairs saves time and money, but there's more to know. I'm Brandi Cumin, and today I'm breaking down what as is really means and how it affects your sale in South Orange County. Selling as is simply means you're listing the home in its current condition. You're not required to fix anything, but you still have legal obligations to disclose known issues like plumbing problems, roof leaks, or mold. Buyers might negotiate lower offers based on these conditions, and some lenders may scrutinize the property just like any other. Here's the truth. Pros of selling as is include saving money on repairs, moving faster, and attracting investors. The cons: lower offers, fewer buyers willing to take on repairs, and still being responsible for disclosures. That's why pricing and strategy matter more than ever. Pricing is everything. I conduct a comparative market analysis to see how similar as-is homes have sold in your neighborhood. We factor in repair costs buyers might deduct and position the home competitively. Even small updates like decluttering or a fresh coat of paint can make a big difference and attract serious offers. In South Orange County, buyers often expect move-in ready homes, even when listed as is. That's why highlighting the home's best features, like views, outdoor spaces, and location, is essential. Transparency and professional marketing can make your as-is sale a success. Selling your South OC home as is doesn't mean settling for less. With the right strategy, you can still attract strong offers and keep your stress low. Want to see what your home could sell for in today's market, even without upgrades? DM me anytime. Let's make sure you sell smart, not desperate. And don't forget, follow me here for more proven tips.